Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Course Learn. Today I am going to tell you more about Booleans and comparisons and if-else statements in Python. Before going to topic, please do subscribe for my channel so that you get notified for the next video. Another type in Python is the Boolean type. There are two Boolean values, true and false. They can be created by comparing values, for instance, by using the equal operator. Be careful not to confuse assignment with comparison, whereas assignment is one equal sign and comparison is two equal signs. Another comparison operator, the not equal operator, evaluates to true if the items being compared are not equal and false if they are. Python also has operators that determine whether one number, which means float or integer, is greater than or smaller than another. These operators are given here. The greater than or equal to and smaller than or equal to are operators are also given there. They are same as the strict greater than and smaller than operators, except that they return true when comparing equal numbers. Now launch PyCharm and open the project we created in the previous video. For the new users, PyCharm installation is explained in the first video named Introduction of Python and Installation. Now create a new file for Booleans and comparisons in Python. Go to File, then New, then File, enter a file name here and click OK. Now select File type Python, then click OK. Let us do practice now. Give the statement value is equals to true and print of value. Then you need to edit configurations by clicking Edit Configuration button on right corner. Now in script path, select the program file path. Then click OK. Now you can run the program by clicking the Run button here. Here you can see the output which shows true. Next, give the statement print 5 is equals to 6 and print double quotes yes is equals to double quotes yes. Now run the program. In output, you can see false Boolean value for 5 is equals to 6 and true Boolean value for yes is equals to yes. Now let us try comparisons. Give the statement print 2 not equals to 2 and print double quotes yes not equals to double quotes yes and print 2 not equals to 3. Now run the program and in output you can see the comparison values false for 2 not equals to 2, false for s not equals to yes, true for 2 not equals to 3. Also give the statements print 8 greater than 3 and print 5 less than 5 and print 6 less than or equals to 7 and print 6 less than or equals to 6.0. Run the program. We got the comparison values here in the output for the statements given above. Next we are going to learn about if statements. You can use if statements to run code if a certain condition holds. If an expression evaluates to true, some statements are carried out. Otherwise, they are not carried out. And if statements looks like this. If expression statements. Python uses indentation, white space at the beginning of a line, to delimit blocks of code. Python indentation is mandatory. Programs won't work without it. As you can see, the statements in the if should be indented. To perform more complex checks, if statements can be nested, one inside the another. This means that the inner if statement is the statement part of the outer one. This is one way to see whether multiple conditions are satisfied. Indentation is the only way to figure out the level of nesting. Now let us practice if statements. Go to file we created before. Give the statement if 7 greater than 6, print double quotes 7 greater than 6. Run the program. In output, you can see the statement 7 greater than 6, which means if expression evaluated to true. And give the statement num is equals to 12. If num greater than 5, print double quotes bigger than 5. If num less than or equals to 47, print double quotes between 5 and 47. Now run the program. As number is 12, which we have given, and satisfied if condition, given the output bigger than 5 and between 5 and 47. Next we are going to learn about else statements. An else statement follows an if statement and contains code that is called when the if statements evaluates to false. As with if statements, the code inside the block should be indented. When if statement is true, else statement is escaped. You can chain if and else statements to determine which option in a series of possibilities is true, and also learn about elif statements. The elif, short for else if, statement is a shortcut to use when chaining if and else statements. A series of if elif statements can have a final else block, which is called if none of the if or elif expressions is true. Let us practice these else and elif statements. Give the statement x is equals to 5. If x is equals to 6, print yes. Else print double quotes no. Run the program. In output, you can see no, as 5 not equals to 6. Let us also see another example for if-else statements. As discussed, you can chain if and else statements to determine which option in a series of possibilities is true. Give num is equals to 7. If num is equals to 5, print double quotes number is 5. Else, if number is equals to 11, print double quotes number is 11. Else, if num is equals to 7, print number is 7. Else, print number is not 5, 11 or 7. Run the program. In output, you can see number is 7. Now for the same example, try giving elif statements. Give num is equals to 7. If num is equals to 5, print number is 5. Elif num is equals to 11. Print number is 11. Elif num is equals to 7. Print number is 7. Else Print number is not 5, 11 or 7. Run the program. As discussed, the elif, short for else if statement, is a shortcut to use when chaining if and else statements. You can see in output number is 7, that is same output as if else statements. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.